Hello, this is Catherine McDonough of the Legal Lean Sigma Institute. We've had so many requests from people who want our assistance in helping them to make the case for improving their timekeeping processes that I decided I'd create a short tutorial. I hope you find it helpful. We know that there is no shortage of things that can be improved in our organizations. So what makes timekeeping particularly unique? Let's take a look. Many times we hear that efficiency is about doing more with less. That may be true, but it also may not be true. In our world, efficiency is about doing the right things and then doing those things right the first time, every time. And that starts with understanding exactly how much effort it takes for us to do and deliver a specific kind of work, whether it's legal work or business processes. At the Legal Lean Sigma Institute, we're interested in understanding the impact of process improvement and project management, not only in and of themselves, but also how they relate to the other P's in the P+ ecosystem: planning, pricing, performance management, people, profitability, performance metrics, and practice management and innovation. We're sure there are other P's that are out there, but that's a good start. There are particular benefits to focusing on improving the timekeeping and billing processes. For starters, we can look at the P+ ecosystem elements, but more generally, we're going to be able to improve the quality of both our work product and our service, and we're also going to discover the best practices that make our organization what it is. Let's walk through how to develop just one piece of the business case for improving our timekeeping process. The idea is to confirm to ourselves and to demonstrate to leadership that we have a process that involves a serious business issue or opportunity and is one that's worthy of an investment. To bolster our case, we would add other benefits such as revenue enhancements, cost savings, and other things like improved client satisfaction, competitive advantages, and employee morale. In this example, we have 30 timekeepers that we'll use as the basis for our calculations. We're going to use reliable industry data that shows untimely recording of billable time results in underreporting of time. This is called leakage. We can also see that those who reconstruct their time will underreport even more time than those with a shorter period between when the work is performed and when the time is entered. Incidentally, it's fairly easy to get reports with this data from our timekeeping systems. In this example, our 30 timekeepers entered their time on a weekly or less frequent basis, and the average hourly rate is about $350. Let's start with the best case scenario, which is that everyone is keeping time contemporaneously and therefore leaks 45 hours annually. The rest is straightforward multiplication. 45 hours leaked times $350 per hour equals $15,750. This is what it costs the firm per timekeeper every year. We then multiply that by 30 timekeepers for a total of $472,500. Again, this is the best case scenario. Next, we all know that it takes time to enter time. This is known as opportunity costs. Again, we rely on industry data, which gives us benchmarks about how long it takes to enter time and shows us that it takes even more time to do so when time isn't entered daily. For some timekeepers, seeing this is enough to get them to change their behaviors. Here, we'll use the weekly preparation of timesheets metric rather than daily or monthly for our calculations. We know that some timekeepers are better, most are not, but our business case doesn't need to be incredibly precise. Here, we're going to make the same calculation as before. 48 hours per year times $350 per hour equals $16,800. We multiply that by 30 timekeepers, and we get an opportunity cost of just over $500,000. The last step is to add these two numbers together for a business case of over $975,000 for our firm with 30 timekeepers. By taking this kind of approach, we're able to make a compelling argument that it's worth investing resources to improve the timekeeping process. We show the magnitude of the problem or opportunity. Later, when we develop our project goal, we will want to calculate the deltas between best and worst case scenarios. We use the same approach no matter what the number of timekeepers is. The real challenge is to go through and make the kind of assumptions and estimates that are reasonable for your organization. We go through leakage, opportunity costs, and add those two things together. Our last step is to then take a percentage so we can see for every X percentage improvement we make, it equals X number of dollars that will drop right to the bottom line without adding any additional work or infrastructure. Hopefully, this short tutorial on making the case for improving your timekeeping process is helpful to you. Remember, first, take your industry data, then make conservative estimates and assumptions, state them clearly, and then either take a simple calculation or a more sophisticated calculation and create your business case for taking a look at this process and making it better. If you're interested in learning how to employ Lean, Six Sigma, and project management in your firm or department, I hope you'll give us a call. This is Catherine Allman McDonough of the Legal Lean Sigma Institute. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to hear from you soon. Good luck.